Hi, it's Rebecca. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about why you might want to buy my book, Secrets of a Metaphysical Flight Attendant. Came out a few years ago, and you can go right to my website, rebeccatripp.com, and I will send you a signed copy if you want to order it for less money than you'll pay if you go to Amazon. I'll send it right off to you. And it's a juicy read. People that read it give me nothing but 5-star reviews, and they tell me it's a page turner, and it is. I know that. I know that about it. It kind of keeps your interest. If you're a seeker, or you'd like to find out how I became a seeker and got on this journey of studying metaphysics and spirituality my entire life, it's all in that book. Starts out with a really interesting story about my UFO experience and goes on from there. But it's important for people that have these big aha moments, I think, to share with other people, because when I found out that, my goodness, we can heal ourselves of anything, because I've been spontaneously healed of the diagnosis of cancer. I had an acute appendicitis attack. I had Lyme disease, really bad. I even smashed up a car with no seatbelt on and walked away without even cracking a bone, even though I broke the windshield and the steering wheel and everything else. You can do some pretty amazing things if your mind is in the right place. But that's the beauty of trying to figure out what we're doing here in Classroom Earth. It is a classroom. We get to come here and take some tests. I know that one of the tests I wanted to set up for myself in this life was this thing about spiritual healing. And that's why I wrote the book, to share with other people some of the things I learned, because it was a mystery to me that the inner world controls the outer world, and we have dominion over every cell in our body. We are sovereign. Once we understand that there's a level of consciousness, you can call it the Christ consciousness, that we can go to solve problems. It's all pretty amazing, but I found as a human living in this dimension, it was kind of like solving a big puzzle, or, I had to dig and dig and dig to get a lot of answers. So if you'd like to buy the book, just go to my website, rebeccatripp.com, and I'll send it off to you.